Alright guys, let's see what's in this fun package here. It's kind of fancy looking this time. Came from Amazon Prime. And I am doing it wrong as I do. Wow. I'm really struggling with this one today, guys. Here we go, but let's see what's this in this cool box. Aha! It's called In the Box. No, it's not. It's a mosquito thingy. It's called Creates Zone of Protection. Okay, cool. It is by the Thermacell. I don't know. Anyway, in the next bit, I'm going to open it up and we'll find out more about this. Thermacell mosquito repellent.
Likey